concert schedule ngayong 2017. Ikinwento ni Lea na excited siya dahil ngayong Pebrero ay ang kauna-unahang beses niya magpo-perform sa Sydney Opera House kasama ang Sydney Symphony Orchestra. May birthday concert rin siya sa Pinas, kung saan puro Broadway musicals ang aawitin.
I'm happiest when I'm working, and I'm happiest when I sing when I get up on stage to perform. So, parang yun ang nagpapalakas sa akin. I mean, that also helps me stay sane.
Pero ang pinaka-inaabangan ng fans, kung tuloy na ba ang matagal nang hinihintay na reunion movie nila ni Aga Mulak. Huling nagtambal ang dalawa sa Sana Maulit Muli noong 1995. Bago nito, ang Bakit Labis Kitang Mahal noong 1992.
It doesn't look like it's gonna happen in 2017 only because I'm solidly booked until August of this year already. And there are like inquiries coming in for the rest of the year, so it's one of those things. We'll have to see. Hope pa more. I am so sorry. May Sharon Gabi naman eh.
Pero ang sigurado, ang pagbabalik niya bilang coach sa The Voice na first time na mag-teen edition.
Yes, so I'm part of it, at least as long as ABS-CBN wants me. And yeah, I've been asked and I've said yes, and I am always so excited. I mean, for as long as the network wants me to keep doing The Voice.
Abangan daw ang announcement kung sino ang coaches na babalik. May audition para sa bagong season ng The Voice sa January 14, 10 a.m. sa ABS-CBN Center Road sa Quezon City at January 14 at 15 sa Robinson's Place sa Tacloban, Leyte.